In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply cells and copy the formula in a spreadsheet. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in Excel, Google Sheets, or any similar spreadsheet app. When I say box, I'm talking about a cell. Start by selecting the cell where you want the result to appear. Click into that cell and type the equal sign. The equal sign tells the spreadsheet you're entering a formula. Now click on the first cell you want to use in your calculation. After that, type the asterisk symbol. The asterisk is the multiply operator. Then click on the second cell you want to multiply by the first one. Press enter, and you should see the answer show up in the cell where you started the formula. To copy this formula so you can reuse it, click on the cell that now shows the multiplication answer. When you select that cell, look toward the top of your spreadsheet window. You'll see the formula bar, which displays the exact formula you just created. Click inside the formula bar to activate it. With the cursor in the formula bar, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the formula. That copies the logic, not just the result, so you can apply it somewhere else. Now choose the cell where you want to paste the formula. Click that destination cell, then paste with Ctrl+V. You'll see the same formula appear, and the spreadsheet will attempt to reference cells relative to the new location. If the pasted formula isn't referencing the cells you intended, simply click into the formula bar and change the cell references to the ones you actually want to multiply. You can do this by typing the correct cell names or by clicking the desired cells directly while the formula bar is active. Press enter to confirm your changes, and you'll get the updated result. If your result doesn't look right, double check that you started with an equal sign, that you used the asterisk for multiplication, and that the cells you reference contain numbers. When pasting the formula into a new place, always make sure the cell references reflect the data you want to multiply there. A quick glance at the formula bar before you press enter can save you time. That's it, you've entered a multiplication formula, copied it from the formula bar with Ctrl+C, and pasted it into another cell. Adjusting the references